Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I did these Mermaid Chrome Nails. Alright, so for this set, I'll be using this Polygel kit from Banggood.com, and inside this kit, you get a gel brush. You also get a set of dual forms, and these come with 10 different sizes. And of course, your gel. I love the bottle that it comes in. It's shaped like a crown. It is so cute. So it does come sealed, so I'm just breaking the seal with a sharp pair of scissors. And this is the gel. I did get the pink color, and this is like in your face pink. So I do get questions about the slip solution that I use with the gel, and it's nothing more than rubbing alcohol. So I'm just applying that to my dampened dish, and now I am picking out the sizes that I need. Alright, to prep my nails, I'm using Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator. And once that dries, I'm applying the Madam Glam base coat. Alright, so I have the gel and I have my dual forms all laid out, and also my alcohol. Alright, so I'm just going to get started and just plop the gel inside of the dual form and pat it in place. So the first thing I want to say is that this is not true polygel. I was expecting, you know, a thicker gel that was more of a non-sticky consistency, but this is nothing more than a thick builder gel. The color is pretty, but as you can see, the dual form is just sliding all over the place. So I went ahead and cured for 60 seconds, and now I can just pop the dual form off, and this is what the nail looks like. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing for all of the nails. But as you can see, my brush is constantly sticking to it. Like, this is not the regular polygel that you're used to. This is just regular gel. So I would suggest for them to change the name because it's a little misleading. Alright, so this thing, I just want to show you more of the gel and the consistency of it. As you can see, it's like really thick and stretchy, and it's nothing like regular polygel. So yeah, just want to let you guys see that and, you know, kind of see what I'm talking about here. So yeah, I'm just scooping it up and placing it inside. The slip does kind of help once I get it flattened and in place, but you know, it still kind of sticks to my brush. But I really love the color, and the end result is really nice. Alright, so this is after all of the nails are on, and I'm just going to do my shaping and filing. And this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. Now I'm going in with this white gel polish from Love Jazzery, and I'm just going to apply 2 thin coats of this. Alright, so this is after the 2 coats, and now I'm going to be going in with these colors, the yellow, pink, and turquoise gel polishes, also from Love Jazzery. And I'm going to be doing some ombre. So starting off with the yellow, I'm just painting that on one side, and then going in with the pink and slightly overlapping it onto the yellow. And you also want to make sure you're wiping off your brush, because you don't want to dip that back into the bottle and, you know, change the color of the polish. So make sure you're wiping off the brush. So finally I'm going in with that dark turquoise color and applying that, and I kind of just go back and forth in between all of the colors to make sure that the blend is the best that I can get it. Alright, so after carrying, I'm just going to go in with a second coat of the gel polishes. And of course, cleaning up around the cuticle area before I cure. Alright, so this is after all of the nails have some little ombre going on. And now I'm going in with this white chrome powder from the nail Cakery. And I'm just going to apply this to all of the nails. And as you can see, once you apply it to the ombre nails, it gives such a very cool effect to it. Alright, so once all of the chrome powder is on, I'm going to apply a coat of the Poochiez Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat to seal everything in. And curing in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I also picked up these ombre pearls from Banggood.com, and as you can see, I was inspired by these colors, so that is why I chose this for this set. So I'm going to be applying some of these pearls, and I'm using my Poochiez Nails Bling Gel, which is a clear builder gel. And without curing, I'm applying gel top coat. And this is what I use to adhere my crystals and pearls and all of my small embellishments. And the iridescent crystals are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. Alright, so I did add more crystals around the cuticle areas, and I cured, and once the nails have cooled down, I'm applying my cuticle oil. And here is the finished look. I think this is so appropriate for spring. I love the bright colors and just the iridescent mermaid shift colors. It just looks so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to lawncareprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.